How we doing? It is officially April 13th. It's, as of today, the start of my spring break. So I am on my way home back to Florence, which is the area that I reside from. And on the way, I'm going to be stopping and doing a little spontaneous fishing trip in Marinette, Wisconsin. Marinette, Wisconsin is right on the border of the UP, and it's where the Menominee River flows into Green Bay of Lake Michigan. This time of year, we get all the walleye from Green Bay pushing up that river to spawn. So there's a high concentration of walleye in shallow water that you can fish from shore. Now, I have not been there yet this year. My dad has been there. The fish were there, but they weren't really biting. So hopefully it's a week later now. I'm hoping that they kind of turn on. Just dropped my GoPro. Probably broke it. That would suck. Should we just start with that? If we just go there and then work our way up and around? Yeah. I suppose we go right down here, huh? All right. Oh. In the water. Little husky jerk. Oh my God. Kenny. First cast. Holy cow. Oh my God, guys. I just caught a monster on my first cast. Penny, first cast. First cast, right there. I thought I was snagged. No, I'm gonna keep an eater. You're only allowed one keeper. I mean, if I wanted to mount, some people would mount that fish. Holy cow. First cast, honest to God, I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh shoot, I have one. Oh yeah. All right, girl. Come here, baby. Go make babies. I still cannot believe first cast, catch a 27-inch walleye. I mean, it's kind of setting the rest of the night up for disappointment, to be honest. But I'll take it. I'm not complaining. Well, Kenny's not the best at photography, unfortunately. But hopefully I get another one to get another picture. That is a humongous fish, and it's milking right now. Or it's gone and then top. Okay. Come on, baby. Stay on there. It's a perfect eater. Nice eater. It's either a male or a spawned out female. Oh, it's a male. tired, but that was worth it. Catching pigs like that. Only caught 3 total fish, but 3 pretty nice ones. I gotta get home and get some sleep. And man, that's addicting. Might be coming back tomorrow. Good night.